Hello guys, my name is Sanket. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how to enable AgentForce tracing. So we all know that in our Agent Studio, if you preview any agent, you get the tracing here by default. So let's say if I say hi over here, then you can see that it shows the interaction summary as well as it shows the tracing here, how this response came up. So it gives pretty much all the details we need. You can switch between the text mode and code mode. So if you want to basically debug this utterance response, you can copy whole JSON and then debug that. But what we are interested to know is how you can capture all the session as part of session and intent here, right? So you can, it has two tabs, process session and unprocessed session. So there are some steps we need to do in order to capture all this data in your production org. You definitely don't want to do this in sandbox org because it will consume the credit. But definitely in the production, you want to know what your customers are talking with your agent or what your internal staff are talking with the agent, right? So the first step is make sure that you have data cloud enabled in your org. So this is the first step. Make sure you have data cloud enabled, and then at the same time, ensure that the Salesforce standard data model package in your org must be 1.130 or greater than that. If it is not, then you can go to this setup AgentForce session tracing help document. I will paste this link in the video details, but yeah, you can just click here and it will take you to the login page. You can log in with the org where you want to install, upgrade the package, and it will take care of that. But since in my org I already have 1.132, it is fine. And then next step is in this setup, you need to go to this Einstein. So you need to search with Einstein audit analytics and monitoring setup. And under that, at the bottom, you will find AgentForce session tracing. So you can enable platform tracing and optimization. Both have a different thing. Platform tracing enables you to save all the data in data cloud related to your agent, all the tracing data. And optimization helps you to gain the agent performance, actionable insight, so that the interaction quality can be improved. So you have to enable these three checkboxes, and that's it. No, there is one more step. Sorry. So make sure you have active agent because it only captures session through active agent interaction. So if you are playing with your agent in draft mode or committed mode, right, that will not be captured here, even though it shows in the builder, but it does not get into the data cloud object. And you can query this object, these sessions in the query builder as well, or you can see the session, what has been through the session here, right? The whole conversation will come up. It is not yet processed, but once processed, you will see more detail. You can switch between all the agents you have, right? You have a couple of filters, and also the insights are here. It comes as a dashboard. It is still processing my recent sessions, but yeah, once it comes, it will show you a nice dashboard about like how your agent is performing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.